I feel exhilarated. Was that enjoyable? Did you guys see that? Wow, that was something of a thrill. And all I was concerned about was whether the camera had a good angle to get a good appreciation of what it's like to actually be on the zip line. That way you guys don't have to do it today. You can come on some other day. So there's a lineup for the little train trolley. And we're going to keep streaming for that. Oh, check out this little wall of plants there. That's for Happy Gora, right there. Okay.